Okay, so I thought I'd talk a minute about my bottle cage mount that I made here out of PVC for this front bottle here, which is a little bit bigger diameter than the regular size ones you see back here. You may be thinking, well, that's throwing the weight off on the whole bike. No, I got this thing balanced out the way I like it, and this is part of the deal here, is getting this incorporated, because this is very nice to have, you know, on a hot day. Keeps your water colder because it's double walled stainless steel. But the way this works is I just took a piece of, I'll take the bottle out. You know, this bottle right here is like a 3.5 inch diameter, and I used 3-inch PVC, and I cut a notch out, as you can see. It's about a 3-inch from edge to edge. And you know, the height of this is, you know, just a little bit shorter than the bottle, you know. And I just cut this particular case. You could probably improve upon this mounting system, but I just drilled two holes here, and put zip ties in there. And then on the fork on this bike, there's a little kick out there for the mounting your regular type brakes, which I don't use. I use a disc brake. So anyways, put the zip ties right above it, so it's gonna stop it from sliding down. Okay, and then once you cut this notch out, I cut a slit out here on the bottom, about 3/4 of an inch from the very bottom up, something like that. And then I cut a slit that goes back to about right here on each side. You can see what this does is, once you open this, spread this open to stick your bottle in there, it pulls this part in a little bit, which acts as the rest for the container. See how it did that? It pulled it in just enough to act as the rest. So, and as far as like this back one here, I don't keep fluid in it. I keep a little tool kit in there. I keep a little Dremel and some tools basically in there. So it's not as heavy as it looks there. But yeah. And then for because just using zip ties, it's not the most secure system in the world. So what I did to prevent it from sliding that way, because it tends to want to do that a little bit. You know, I got this one mounted separate. This cage is mounted separately from this. And then I took a piece of metallic tape, aluminum tape I think it's called, use it for ductwork, and put that on there. And it goes back to behind there, so it's going to prevent this from sliding that way.